Hello, kamusta? So, it's been a while. I haven't made a video. So, right now I am sauteing onions. And today we are making mushroom gratin. So, we just saute this for 3 to 4 minutes until it's tender. And then after that, we're gonna add our minced garlic. So this is our garlic. I just added it, and then just continue to saute for around 2 minutes, and also make sure that we don't burn our garlic. Okay, so next is our sliced mushrooms. You can use just the regular mushrooms. These are button mushrooms. They're brown, and you can also use the white mushrooms. Any mushrooms will do in this recipe. So right now we're just going to cook it down for about like 3 minutes, and then after that we are going to put some wine. Okay, so the mushrooms has been cooking for 2 minutes now, and as you can see, there's a bar of liquid. So mushrooms tend to do that, so we just need to keep on cooking it. So we just let the water or the liquid evaporate, and then I'll come back, and then we'll put some white wine and some seasonings. Okay, so we're back. So as you can see, medyo nag-subside na yung liquid from the mushroom. So at this point, we can add in our white wine. So this is Sauvignon Blanc. You can use any white wine. Any white wine will do. You can just, this is pretty cheap, I guess. So kahit $5 bottle, $10 bottle, that would be fine. So I'll just put it next. So I put 3 tablespoons of the white wine, and then we're gonna add some salt, about a teaspoon, and half teaspoon of black pepper. And then we have oregano leaves. We also have basil. Just sprinkle it. And the last but not least is the thyme. So sprinkle lang din natin. I'm just gonna mix, and we wait for 2 minutes. Okay, so our mushrooms are looking good. So they're all cooked, and it smells really nice with all those herbs and also the wine. And now this is done, and the next thing we're gonna do is the bechamel sauce. Okay, so let's start making our bechamel sauce. So first you need to melt your butter in a heavy button pan so it's not gonna burn easily, and also your heat should be on a low setting. Now we're gonna add our flour. So bechamel is just easy to make. It's just butter, flour, and your milk together. So in this bechamel sauce, we're gonna add cheese. So bechamel with cheese is called a Mornay sauce. So that is some culinary tip for you. Okay, so this is the stage na naging paste na siya. So make sure yung ratio nung butter is the same with your flour. So this one, I think I added like 6 tablespoons of butter. So you have to put 6 tablespoons of flour as well, and then you have to make this paste, but make sure you don't get it brown, because bechamel sauces is supposed to be a light sauce. Some are really like creamy white. Okay, so now we're gonna add in our milk. I have 1.5 cups of full cream milk. You can also use non-fat if you like, but or half and half if you have it. Then we're just gonna mix it and then wait until it becomes thick sauce. And then we'll come back and check for the texture. So we're gonna season our sauce with white pepper and half teaspoon of salt. So guys, this is a bit thick for me, but it's really smooth right now. So I'm just gonna add some more milk, like about like 4th cup. Depende sa consistency na gusto niyo. And if you want to check, get a spoon and just dip it, and if it sticks in the back of the spoon, then this is good. Okay, so right now we're gonna add some cheese, and I have Colby cheese. I just grated this, and we're just gonna add it to the sauce. Yeah. Hirap pag isang kamay lang. Okay. Ayan, haluin lang natin. We're just gonna mix it. And then, after na nag-melt yung cheese, you can taste it and add some more seasonings if you like. Salt, pepper, but make sure you use the white pepper. This is it. This is our morning sauce or cheese sauce if you like. So all the cheeses have melted, and I added some salt and pepper, and it tastes good. Okay, so right now we're gonna assemble our mushroom gratin. Yeah. So these are the mushrooms. You just put it in the bottom of your dish, baking dish. And then we're just gonna spread it out. So we just spread it evenly on your baking dish. And this recipe is a very simple dish. It's easy to make. You can even add meat, seafood, or pasta if you like. Then we're gonna add in our cheese sauce or bechamel mornay sauce. O, diba? Yummy. Okay, so we just spread our sauce evenly on top of the mushrooms. You can even add some more if you like. And then after that, we are going to add the cheese on top. Okay, so we have our cheese topping, and we're going to use panko breadcrumbs. I use this for topping because panko has a much more texture than regular breadcrumbs, and also Colby is a good melting cheese. Next is our breadcrumbs. We just spread it on top. And then we bake this about 10 minutes in a 425-degree Fahrenheit oven. Okay guys, so another tip. I have like 2 cups of leftover sauce. You can definitely use this with your mac and cheese. So what you need to do is just cook your noodles and then just add this. And then, voila! Okay guys, the reveal of our, there you go, it's still bubbling. And it's all brown, the cheese. And then we're gonna plate this. Okay. Mushroom gratin is all done. And this is how it looks. It smells so cheesy. And it looks really good. We have all those brown bits. That's so delicious. Okay, so right now we are going to scoop it out. Look at that sauce. Ooh, look at that. Oh, the steam. So good. Should get all these chunks of mushroom. Then we are going to taste it. So good. Okay, so let's try it. Kahit lactose intolerant ako, but I'm at home. Look at this. Okay. So good. Okay, so guys, thank you for watching. This is my mushroom gratin. And hope you guys try it at home. It's not that hard to make. So, hope you guys are doing fine and doing okay. God bless and take care.